Basically, we are following the market and what is hot and what is not hot, and we are trying to change ourselves as well. Part of our heritage, we started as a consultancy company for data stacks. So basically, two things we did good throughout this 10 years of existence. Building relations with technical vendors and consulting different companies on various tools. Also, AI is a part of our heritage. So when you take these three, AI assistants and AI agents, which is happening right now in the market, is something that is, I think, perfect for SmartCat. We have under the same roof data engineers, AI engineers, software developers. So building AI assistant and AI agent, which is essentially microservice in AI world, is a natural thing to pursue. We realize that many enterprise customers are maybe not ready for R&D and innovation. They need to first sort out their data lakes and data storages. So partnering with Databricks and evaluating their technologies to implement data lakes in big organizations is also one more important pillar for SmartCat before moving to innovation and AI. Third one, which I want to emphasize, is attacking marketplaces as type of solution. We have a lot of knowledge spread throughout the organization about e-commerce websites, personalization, recommendation engine, rankings, etc., etc. And this was naturally boosted when we started cooperating with Vantage Discovery, which is semantic search discovery as a service product. So this became natural choice for third pillar. Over those three stands, I think, one overall go-to-market strategy. I think services industry is really changing. It is hard just to have a certain skill set and send CVs to customers because customers are firing people and a lot of people are on the market. So we are trying to develop a product mindset and product capability, and product co-creation is I would say mother go-to-market strategy, where process, technology, consulting, partnering are all important aspects in order to do it right. We have three successful stories. We are working with Meridian for 8 years now. Also, I mentioned Vantage Discovery, semantic search platform. We are building their product from idea to general availability now. And third one is Content Line, which we started building in September. It is interesting asset management and content management platform on top of Oracle Cloud, which will be released in January. So basically moving from delivering just a team of people which know stuff to full products is something that we are trying to achieve, and we are doing it right based on these three partnerships. Meridian came, as I mentioned, 8 years ago, but interesting things started happening around 5 years ago when they wanted to refresh and re-engineer their platform. So we did evaluation of a really big platform, and they created a 3 years plan, which became 5 years plan, to re-engineer and add additional functionality to reach the point in time where they are now. They swapped the old platform with the new platform. New platform is AI ready. It is fully based on data, and it is really, I would say, one of top three platforms in sports betting world. This is example of product co-creation where they are managing priorities and scope. While we are a technical partner, giving directions, choosing technology, implementing stuff, educating them how to use AI and data, sharing our thoughts when something can be delivered. And these three examples really showed us what we should do. This is the way forward, and we want to co-create with other partners where we can bring versatile knowledge, data, AI, software engineering under the same roof, plus where we can consult how to build certain business application much more efficient, much better, with good technology choices that will last for years. Basically, we started from our own need. Our sales process was slow, in my opinion, and many new salespeople came to the company and didn't have 9 years of certain use cases, collaboration models, pitch decks. They didn't know where they are on Drive. So I came to an idea to optimize this process and create streamlined knowledge which can be accessed through questions. We call it Company Mind Assistant, and currently we are implementing it for sales, but it can be implemented for sales, HR, marketing, finances. Idea is to upload certain knowledge into database, vector database, and use combination of vector database and LLMs to get answers to certain questions, which should help companies be more agile when they have a fluctuation of talent, new people onboarding, people with less experience about certain topic asking for questions, and it will ease the workload on those more experienced ones, because AI will answer certain questions. Not all questions should be answered by most senior colleague. We are using it now for sales as well, as a platform, because we really like results in SmartCat, so we want to offer it to other companies. What we see at the moment is that everyone has certain problems with when they need to spread the knowledge throughout the organization. Fluctuation of talent is also a big problem, so those two problems should be attacked by Company Mind Assistant. What we also see is that this area is red ocean. I would say pretty much everyone is trying to do something in this field. But at the end, we are developing it for ourselves to be more efficient. And if it proves to be a good sales magnet, why not? So we won't stop on developing it if we don't see traction on the market, because at the end, SmartCat is more efficient organization because of it. AI technology, I see it attacking two different verticals in different companies. One obvious one is optimization, which should promise less spending, because some repetitive processes, dull processes, should be automated by technology, and this is promise of technology overall, but AI makes this task easier and more lucrative, because now all of a sudden you have a clever machine doing stuff that humans should do. But I see different vertical in companies as well that can be attacked by AI, and this is revenue vertical, where even companies can earn more because there are interesting technical solutions that can be implemented. Example is, for example, Vantage Discovery is creating this semantic search layer, which is promising better hit rate for the user on e-commerce platform when they are searching for certain item. This makes sense, because then when I want to buy certain thing, I can go to e-commerce website that has this advanced search, and with less time spent on this website, I can find precisely what I want and buy it, which then results in higher revenue for this website. So AI will help definitely achieving bigger revenue goals and earning more money. So I see it in twofold: earning more money with technical solutions which are directly hitting revenue, and spending less because organizations will be more efficient with technology. I talked about 3 success stories where we are building products from the ground up. I would say that our most targeted or most wanted customer is someone who wants to build a product that has all three components where we are good at. So building the software, using some kind of data, and adding innovative features, innovative AI features, because then we are really good and valuable partner, because under same roof we have all those three capabilities, and we are doing it for 10 years now. So I think we are really good fit for these kind of companies. We usually like to call ourselves technical partner, which means that business decisions and priorities should come from the other end, but we want to be involved in the process of decision making, because only then we can be responsible for the architecture which is at the end built, and which is stable, and which should last for years to come. I think we started early on, and we have really good base, really good foundation. Transparency is one of our core values in the company, and we started really early on saying no to clients, saying we cannot do it on one hand, and on the other hand, when we engage and when we start working together, we try to demo. Really often report, send bunch of reports. We try to understand the level of information our partner wants and needs, and we try to deliver based on this level, to find this sweet spot, not to be overloaded with information, but really send important information to our clients that are important for them to do this business decision making. So how I see development of the software main industry where we are at is that there are some 4 levels of impact that you can do as a software development vendor when you are working with clients. On bottom there is a capacity problem solution, where our companies from this area were for previous 10 years. Basically, this means that a certain company doesn't have a capacity to develop certain software, and then you're adding your people to the team, already existing team, to improve capacity. I would say this is the lower impact that you can do as a software development company. Next level is specific knowledge. This is the area where we were for previous 10 years. Our specific knowledge is working with data and AI, and we did really good when a certain client wants to build something in this area, because we are experts in this area, and you need a bit of consulting mindset to achieve the goal, because you need to educate while you are developing a software, but this is achievable, and this is also part of our heritage. We started as a consulting company. Third level is building solutions. Business person comes to your doorstep and explains his business and explains what he wants to solve. You organize a team which includes product specialists, delivery managers, and also engineering to evaluate what is the best possible solution that can solve a particular problem. You attach success criteria, and you are delivering a solution that is directly impacting and moving certain KPI. And fourth level is business consulting. This is usually reserved for Deloitte's, Ernst & Young's, Accenture's of this world. CEO wants to speak with technology experts to implement certain change in their organization, like digital transformation, and this big company is advising how to achieve it. What I want to achieve as a strategic goal in SmartCat is to be somewhere between specific knowledge and solutions. This means basically to nurture our heritage of working with data and AI, and really emphasize it, and be consultants and brand in that area, so everyone knows that SmartCat is doing really good products that are leveraging a lot of data and that need to be innovative and using a lot of AI, but also to move a needle up a stack and to become a solution provider. So we are working a lot with product mindset in the company, and we want basically to offload our clients and to engage them in first few weeks, and then create a really tight plan where we can deliver what they want, which is, in my opinion, biggest impact you can do in organization when we cross the upper part, which I mentioned, which is reserved for business consultants. This capability we still don't have, but somewhere in between solutions and the specific knowledge is our target for next year, and we will continue to nurture things that we are good at in order to stay there. You can expect unexpected. We will work more on processes and consulting and product mindset in order to deliver much better results. Also, there is a big hidden goal that we want to delight our customers always. So we will add this delight our customers moments throughout our engagement with you. And what is interesting, since we are choosing a lot of technical horizontal vendors such as Vantage Discovery, Content Lion, what we did in 2024 and what we want to do in 2025 is even connect our clients to potential buyers of their software. We have our network as well. Michael and Matti are in US, Neshko is in Netherlands, so we can even help with sales because we know the product inside and outside, so we can definitely offer the product to certain organization. We have examples. For example, Meridian is evaluating document management system that Content Lion is building. Meridian wants to add Vantage Search to their platform. Content Lion wants to add Vantage Search to their platform. So we are trying to mix and match throughout our portfolio. And this is, I think, really valuable when somebody wants to build software but also needs help in sales. If AI will take over or not, this is a question, but definitely I really liked when I talked with Mihailo recently that technology and AI is moving from internet and computer world to physical world, which means that robotics, tasks that need to be finished in our real world needs to be done with technology. Which I think is much harder problem than building a website. So I think time of true engineers or really skillful, versatile engineers that know software development, but also, physics, mechanics, etc., will come again and is coming again. Also, data world is really focused on lowering down the cost, and for this you need to operate this distributed system, which is not easy. So I can promise to our employees that we will continue working on this skill set to stay true engineers, to up a level on engineering ladder. We will continue hiring engineers that really are good. We have a high bar, so not everyone can pass our interview process. So we will stay on that track, even though sometimes maybe we cannot scale fast enough. But I think having a firm culture and engineering culture is really important, so we will continue nurturing it.